Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My family and I are a huge fan of muslin blankets. We love the incredibly soft fabric and the breathable material it's made from. And this blanket from EMME is a must-have for my family, especially on summer nights when we want to cuddle and watch TV, but we don't want to be too hot. This blanket comes in so many colors and styles, you are sure to find the perfect fit for your style and decor. We have the teal one in size queen, so it'll fit on our beds, and it's also a comfortable blanket on movie night on the sofa. I personally love how easy this is to care for. I have a busy house with kids and pets, and our house gets messy, but I can simply throw this in the washing machine on the cold cycle and tumble it dry, and it's ready for the next cuddle session. I also love that it's durable. With my busy life, it kind of gets treated badly, but I know that this is going to last us for years to come, despite what my family throws at it. Also, with its textured look and feel, it adds a little dimension to whatever room it's in, whether it is on your bed or on your sofa. So if you're in the market for a beautiful, comfortable blanket to add to your collection, then you've found it with this beautiful blanket from EMME. And that's my point of view.